A few months ago, I made a video on the EDT LUMA, the glass air fryer oven with no Teflon, no ceramic coating, no non-stick chemical. And that video got a lot of questions. Will the glass crack? What if it breaks? Is it just hot air? So today I'm answering some top questions and running actual tests on the glass so you can see the answers. If you want to see the actual demo of the product, you must watch the video that I have linked over here. The team at EDT had sent me the product a few months ago, but like always, the tests are designed by me and opinions are my own. So let's get started. Will the glass crack? This was by far the most asked question. So let me address that first. The cooking bowls in the LUMA are made of 6 mm double tempered borosilicate glass. For reference, this is the same glass that is used for oven safe cookware and it is built to handle sudden temperature changes. It also has a very low thermal expansion, which is why it does not crack while cooking or if you expose it to room temperature or cold water immediately after cooking. So as you can see, in normal usage of heating, cooking or washing, the glass does not crack. You can also scrub it with a metal brush without any issues or scratches. What about the risk of burns? Like any cooking vessel, the glass bowl does get hot during cooking. Even when you put glass in a microwave or a convection oven, it does get heated up. The glass bowl has two handles that are not affected by the heat from cooking and can be used with ease without the risk of burns. Can you educate us on the technology? Is it just hot air or is it something else? This question can get a bit technical, so you can skip to the next question if you don't want the details. Now at its core, the LUMA works like a convection oven. It uses hot air generated by the heating element and circulates it using a fan. This rapid circulation is what helps to crisp the food. There is no separate, unique cooking method. What differs is how well it manages to distribute the air. Pretty much everything I've tried has cooked well in this air fryer oven. It has something called a retain tech, which helps to manage the airflow and temperature better. Since it uses a glass bowl, heat is distributed evenly, so no hot spots that are common with some air fryers. Secondly, it uses sensors to control the temperature for a more precise cooking. Not too hot, not too cold, just as set. And lastly, it has better airflow and heat cycling design to cook food evenly and not dry the food out. So it is a combination of heat, airflow and material science together for the tasty food via this air fryer oven. What all can I make in it? The EDT LUMA is a 7-in-1 device, so it's perfect if you're short on space on your kitchen countertop. And it's easy to get started with 5 preset modes: air fry, grill, roast, bake and reheat. Or you can choose the chef mode for complete manual control and set your own temperature and time as per your preferred recipe. It can bake, roast, grill, air fry and reheat, replacing your oven, toaster, sandwich maker and grill with ease. Can it reheat food? Can I put a plate inside like a microwave? Yes, but mostly solids, not liquids like dal or soups. For solids, it does better than a microwave. With the reheat preset, it can reheat snacks like pizzas, samosas, cutlets, and it can even bring back the crispiness instead of making it soggy like a microwave does. It can also reheat rice, but it will take longer than a microwave. For example, a 30-second reheat on a microwave for samosas would be a 3 to 4 minute reheat in the LUMA. Can you put a plate inside it? Yes, if it is oven safe and can handle temperatures up to 200 degrees Celsius. So a plate, a ceramic bowl or a cake pan will work. No plastics, no non-oven safe containers. What about customer service, warranty and live demos? The LUMA comes with a 1-year limited warranty plus a 7-day replacement window if the unit arrives damaged or defective. As for service, EDT has a doorstep concierge model with their own authorized technicians and genuine spare parts, and this service covers 19,000 pin codes. So far, I've predominantly seen positive feedback on doing a sentiment analysis on the brand and the product. But since EDT is a relatively new but growing brand, I will keep an eye on how this feedback evolves as the brand matures, and we'll have more clarity on it in 6 months to a year's time. So in summary, from what I have seen and experienced so far, I genuinely like it. The glass bowl with zero coating, easy to clean, easy to cook acidic foods and no wear out after daily cooking. Reheating food which brings back the crispness is a plus. But you should know that although there are 2 glass bowls, you will need to cook sequentially as there is only one heating element. Long-term service track record still needs to be be washed for over time. Now, if the fear of non-stick coatings and toxins have been holding you back from investing in an air fryer, the Luma is one of the safest ways that you can make this switch. You can check the current price or book a live demo from the links in the description. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.